Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to disable the history icon on Google Chrome for your PC following the latest update. This is a simple process that will help you streamline your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon located on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's open, we'll move on to the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This opens a drop-down menu filled with various options that you can customize. From there, scroll down to Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various features of your Chrome browser. Now, look for the section labeled Appearance in the left sidebar. Click on it, and then find the option that says Customize your toolbar. This is where you can manage what icons appear on your toolbar. In this section, you'll see an option for history. Simply toggle this option off to disable the history icon from appearing on your toolbar. This means that you won't see the history icon anymore, which can help keep your toolbar clean and focused on what you use most. Once you've disabled the history icon, feel free to explore other settings if you'd like to further customize your browsing experience. Remember that even though the history icon is disabled, you can still access your browsing history by using keyboard shortcuts or through the main menu whenever needed. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the history icon on Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Thank you for watching.